Okay, pages. We're going to go through creating pages, editing your pages, and hyperlinking your pages. So I'm going to click on the pages icon or the pages tab here at the top right corner. You'll notice that home is blue, and that's because that's what's in my editing pane. I have pages already created in this template, so you can fill in the pages that already live in this template. For example, activities. If you hop in here, this is where you should be placing all of your CAS clubs and your after-school club activities. So you can add in an image and a description. If I click on my classes page, you'll notice that this is sort of an introductory page to all of the academic classes that I have. What you can do here, of course, is update the school year. So this is our 2021 school year. And of course, update all of this information that you have in this panel here. When you're looking at this specific panel, you notice that math and art are hyperlinks, and they're hyperlinks to the pages, the subpages, that are under classes. So these words here hyperlink to these pages, and I'll show you how to make that happen. So I'm going to take a look at my math page. So this is the templates math page. There may be elements in here that you want to keep, or there may be elements that you want to delete. So first off, I have the summary here. You're welcome to include a summary. I have this section here. If I don't need this section, I'm going to delete it, and I can delete this section as well, and then I'll delete this section. What I do want to do is I do want to keep it consistent within each one of the classes that I'm creating. So here I have a section with a summary. I have this divider line, and I'm going to go into the Insert tab here and insert a layout that will allow me to quickly and easily add in content. So this is an image of my task, or an image of my artifact, or the actual artifact from my drive, as well as the reflection. So this is what my layout looks like for math. I'm going to go back to pages now, and I'm going to check out what art looks like. Art has a different header image. There's the summary of the class, and then there are spaces to put in projects. So this might be a really great idea for if you're doing art class. If you have art, you're welcome to take images of your work, and you can add that in here. Or if you feel that it would just be more appropriate to add that one artifact and reflection, go back into layouts and pop that layout in there. Maybe you don't need this project title, you can delete that one. And if you want to delete these guys, you're welcome to do that as well. But please keep it consistent. If you're looking for that divider line, it's here on the Insert tab. You can find that divider, and you can click on it, add it, and then move it as you need to. So you can shift it around to wherever. So I'm clicking and dragging to wherever I want that to go. Creating your additional pages, we're going to make them sub-pages under classes. So if you're already in the art class and you click on the plus sign, you'll notice that a new sub-page will appear, the option for a new sub-page. So I'm going to title this one Science. And then here it is directly underneath art. So you'll notice that the background is the same for science as it was for art. You can change that image, of course, the same way that we changed your image on the home page. You can select a different image from the gallery. Maybe you want this one for science. And now we want to keep it consistent with our math and our art pages. So the Insert tab is where I'm going to go. I'll add in my divider, and then I'll add in the layout that I want to see. So I'm just clicking, and those will appear directly on the page. After you have completed adding those pages, you're going to go back into the classes page. So this is the main page for classes. And you'll notice here, there's math, there's art, and now I can click here, and I'm going to add in the word science. I will double click again to select this word and hyperlink. So using the link option, hyperlink it scrolling through to the science page. So now I have added it to my science page. So this word here will take me directly to the science tab. Let's see it in action. So I'm previewing my website. So this is my website will look like once it's published. I have my home. I have my classes tab here. You see this is a main page, and then there are sub pages underneath. If I go into the classes page and I click directly on science, it will take me to the science page. So it's just two different ways to get to the same place. So go through, create your pages, test it out. Always look at what your website looks like through preview. Customize it in a way that works for you. And we'll see you in our next video.